Hi guys, it's raining outside, it's dark, and I've got a pile of junk here that I picked up at the recycling centre out at Thornbury. First thing we got is a little spinner there, or spinning top. I should imagine that was probably free, bundled with something else. Oh, total price of everything you can see here cost me £1, which is why I rather like going to the recycling centre. So yeah, little spinning top. I do quite like spinning tops, but I think that was, well, worthless basically. Right, next, I've forgotten what these are called. They're big plastic plates. Usually use them for Christmas, weddings, special occasions, that sort of thing. There was 3 gold coloured ones and 1 red one. And I thought, yeah, I'll buy them and we'll see if we can use them for wheels for one of my rubber band powered projects. Because I reckon, yeah, they'll make big wheels. Might be handy because I've been talking on one of my videos about big wheels and small wheels. Well, these wheels will be ridiculously big and demonstrate going too far the other way, I think. So that's what they're for. Wheels for rubber band powered cars. They're quite heavy actually. Right, next, this. It's just a bit of tubing. I think it's the outflow from some sort of washing machine or something. It's this sort of plastic tubing that bends nicely. But I think that, if I just go and get it, yeah, I think that will fit over the end of a pop bottle. And I can then use this for one of those stomp rockets, where you stamp on this, push the air out, and at the other end you have a tube with some sort of rocket on it. So it gives you a air-powered rocket. So yeah, it was just a random bit of tubing that I picked up in the recycling centre. And then finally, this, I've seen them around on YouTube. It's a NIKKO, hence the big N on it. Oh, it also says NIKKO on the wheels. It did have a name on it. Slammr. Yeah, NIKKO Slammr. No idea if it works. It does say 27 megahertz, and of course it's missing the battery pack. I mean, it was going to be missing the battery pack. You knew that before you bought it. So I shall rig something up there, just probably solder on a connector there and stick a small LiPo battery in there, just so we can test it and see if it actually works. No idea if I've got a matching transmitter, but we will find out. And that was it. That was a whole £1 spent in the recycling centre. There we go, ultra quick modification. Just soldered a lead onto the existing tags. That little LiPo battery will fit in there. So at least we can see whether it works. 27 megahertz. Okay. So that's backwards, that's forwards on that one, that's forwards on that one. So that's forwards, that's backwards. The only thing is I suspect there may have been a third button to operate the central bit. I don't know. I'll have to go and watch some of those videos, won't I? Wrong way. So. Well, it certainly works. I do have another controller that's got the turbo enabled, which might... I don't know. I don't know if there's a third option or not. Well, this is my controller, 27 megahertz, that I added the turbo button to, but it doesn't appear that that does anything. Unless... Apologies for a lot of that not being on screen. It's a little bit difficult trying to coordinate the steering when it's right. Yeah. Left and backwards for forwards, and right and forwards for backwards. Well, depending on which way you look at it. Yeah, well, it's working, so for what I paid for it, brilliant. And I expect if I charge that up properly, it'll probably work fine off a 2S LiPo.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.